Welcome to my channel. My name is Ricardo Hawks and I am in the beautiful Italy with my partner Gigi. It's one of our favourite countries and we always try to come here at least once a year. Joining us on this trip is the Christopher Ward Bel Canto, which might just be the perfect watch to have on a holiday like this. Bel Canto in Italian means beautiful singing, and Italy definitely does sing to me in more ways than one. So our first stop is Rome, and we've actually come with Gigi's parents who have actually never been to Italy before. We're going to do some touristy things, see the sights, go to a wedding, and probably do a whole lot of eating. The Bel Canto is such an amazing watch, not just for what it is, but for what it represents. This is a chiming watch, which means it makes a chime sound every hour. See, normally these watches are very complicated to make, but in 2022, Christopher Ward released this watch to the public. And what was surprising was the price. At just over £3,000, this was really, really affordable for this type of watch. Admittedly, people were skeptical at first. Had Christopher Ward rushed a release that wasn't up to scratch? The Bel Canto is made from grade 5 titanium, which is a strong and premium metal. The watch is 41mm, has a height of 13mm and is water resistant to 30 meters. One of my favourite things about this watch is the options of dials that you get. I can't really hate any of these colours. Some are a bit louder than others, but they're all spectacular. And with this sunburst finish, the light just loves to bounce around within the case and bring out that colour even more. Looking at this dial in more detail now, the subdial floats over this sunray finished surface, giving the wearer a feeling of depth. Everything is also kind of enhanced by the level of finishing here. The hammer, spring and bridges, which together resemble a songbird, are brushed and polished in all the right places. Finishing of this standard is only usually preserved for the most exclusive brands. The hands and indices are filled with superluminova for after dark visibility. Now I guess we should talk about the movement. This is the FS01, a new in-house module created by Christopher Ward's technical director Frank Stelzer. Frank adapted the jumping hour movement into a striking mechanism by adding more than 60 new components. What happened next was more than 3 years of Frank and the design team working tirelessly to refine both the aesthetics and the sound of the watch. And the result, a beautiful symmetrical movement to admire throughout your day. The FS01 movement has 38 hours of power reserve and is protected by an anti-reflective domed sapphire crystal. So we're on the final leg of our trip now, and what better place to spend it than my favourite place in the world, Tuscany. Spending time with this watch, the Bel Canto, in this beautiful country has been special. Just like the people of Italy, the Bel Canto thrives on passion, precision, and a love for life's simple, elegant pleasures. Its design is purposeful yet effortlessly stylish. Much like the Italian way of life, where every detail matters, but nothing feels forced. The balance of form and function reflects a culture that celebrates beauty not as a luxury, but as a necessity. Every chime echoes the rhythm of a country that values slow meals, deep conversation, and watching the world go by with a cup of coffee in hand. It's clear to me now that Christopher Ward definitely didn't rush this release, as the price might suggest. They took their time. They crafted a beautiful watch that normally wouldn't be accessible to many of us, but now it is. And I think horology as a whole is so much better off.